This is a 2011 Mazda CX-9. It has a 3.7-liter 6-cylinder engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. Its top features include Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, keyless ignition, a 3-zone climate control system so that each front seat as well as rear seat passengers can set temperature settings to their own comfort level, a blind spot warning system, a low tire pressure indicator, a multi-link rear suspension, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and high-intensity discharge headlights. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions, so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, dual power seats, cruise control, a CD player, leather seats, 12-volt power outlets, front side impact airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and this vehicle has fewer than 69,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.